lemon. MacArthur Highway, Mabalacat. Hi guys, how much lemon? How much? How much?
100 pesos.
Ah, this is 100 peso.
Yes.
Okay. Where you take this? From Pampanga or not? From Baguio? Ah, in Baguio have lemon many. Okay. One for me.
One.
Yeah, no, this one. This. In Baguio so many lemon right now. Season of lemon.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Season of lemon.
Lemon from Baguio. Good.
Thank you, sir.
When season of strawberry?
Yeah, Baguio.
No, I know when start season.
January.
Start season
January.
from January, yes? Okay. Thank you very much.